Now, I know you guys know how to sort your data. If you don't, let me just quickly show you how it's done. You basically select anywhere in the data, any cell, and press Control Shift L to activate the filters, right? Now, if you select, let's say I want to sort the columns in alphabetical order. I just need to come here and select Sort A to Z, and everything will be sorted in alphabetical order. But what if I'm going to press Ctrl Z to go back to where we were earlier. Now, what if I want to have multiple levels of sorting in this data? What I'm trying to say is, let's say I want the states to be sorted in reverse alphabetical order, but I want the cities to be ordered in alphabetical order. Let me show you how that can be done. All you need to do is go to data. In data, you have this advanced sort feature. If you click on that, it will open up this sort dialog box. There's a shortcut to this. I'm going to close this, and the shortcut is Alt DS. Alt DS will open the dialog box. Now you can have multiple levels of sorting. Okay, so let's add the first level. In the first level, I want the states to be sorted Z to A, right? And I can add another level now. So add level, and I can specify that I want the cities to be sorted A to Z, right? If I click on OK now, you'll see my states are all sorted Z to A, but within each state, the cities are sorted A to Z. Okay, let me show you another example. I'm going to press Alt DS, and this time around, I don't want this level. I can simply come here and delete this level. Now I'm going to add another level. I basically want the states to be sorted Z to A, but I want the cities to be sorted based on their population, right? So I can come here and select population, and I want the population to be sorted largest to smallest. So now my states will be sorted Z to A, but the cities will get sorted based on the population, and they'll be sorted based on the highest populated city to the lowest populated city. If I click on OK now, you can see it's all sorted Z to A, but the cities are now sorted based on the population. Okay, so this is how you can apply advanced filter in your data.